One bright and sunny morning, Benny the brave lion and Ellie the elephant found a mysterious, glowing egg hidden in the middle. Look, Benny, this is a magical kindness egg. It only glows and reacts when people do good deeds for each other. When we help a friend who has tripped or fallen, the egg begins to pulse with a beautiful, golden light. Sharing our favorite toys makes the magic even stronger. Look, the egg is starting to vibrate and crack open. With a burst of magical light, the kindness egg opens, filling the whole world with a warm and loving glow. Being kind to one another makes the world a much brighter place. Always remember to share your love and joy. Thanks for watching our story. Don't forget to subscribe to the Unstoppable Kids Club for more magical adventures. See